video, I'm going to demonstrate the Pinhole Cast-On, also called the disappearing loop cast-on, in slow motion for very visual learners. If you'd like to see my regular speed Pinhole Cast-On video, I'll give you a link in the upper right-hand corner. Just click the little eye. In that video, I show you how to do this cast-on using a crochet hook, which gives you the same results. The difference is that you have to have a crochet hook in the exact size of your needles, the knitting needles you're using, and I have a sock tutorial coming up soon, I think next week, where I'm going to use this cast-on in the tutorial, and I don't expect that a lot of knitters are going to have teeny tiny crochet hooks the same size as the sock needles, so I wanted to demonstrate this way of doing it where you don't need a crochet hook to do it. Anyway, I want to show you the technique. If you'd like to see my other slow motion videos, just click the little eye in the upper right hand corner. I'll give you a link to that playlist. First up, I'm going to show you the result of the Pinhole Cast-On. It is a cast-on that we do that you can pull the tail end of the yarn. It tightens everything up, so when you're starting at the center of something and knitting out, it gives you a really tidy center of whatever it is you're knitting. So let's go ahead and take a look and then go slow-mo. Here's what it looks like in a pie circle. Video coming soon on this technique for knitting a flat circle. We're starting with the tail end in my right hand. I'm going to wrap it around the fingers of my left hand like this and secure that end with my thumb. All of the action is going to happen right here. I'm going to yarn over on that needle and pull up a loop, and then go down under and grab that same strand from the back and pull up. Yarn over from the top down and pull up, and then go behind everything and grab that same strand from the back and pull up. And I'm putting loops on the needle each time. Yarn over from the top down and pull up, and then come at it from behind, grab that same strand and pull up. Yarn over and pull up, and then around behind, grab that same strand and pull up. You see why we need slow-mo for this. Now you pull the tail end, everything tightens up. The opposite end from the tail end is going to be my first stitch. I'm going to slide everything to the other end of the double pointed needle so I can transfer these to other needles and so I can work in the round. Just slip the stitches as if to purl without twisting them. And being careful here not to split a stitch. I'm putting 4 on the first needle, and then 2 on the other 2 needles because I cast on 8. I'm going to flip everything over. And I like to work with the working yarn on top and the tail end below. It makes me less likely to accidentally start knitting with the tail end. And my first stitches are on the needle with the 4 stitches. And as soon as I knit this first stitch, everything is joined in the round. And subsequent rows go faster, or rounds go faster than the first round, of course. You pull on that tail end to tighten up the cast on, because it will loosen up as you work. Okay, that's the cast on joined in the round and the first 4 stitches knit. Just keep going around and around and you'll get a result like the circle that I showed you at the top of the video. Anyway, I hope that helps. Good luck.